Hey, tech lovers. Ever wondered how AI and ML are changing the game in science? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about machines doing tasks that typically need human smarts. Machine learning, or ML, takes it a step further. It's how machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Now, let's talk science. AI and ML are game changers in data analysis, spotting patterns, and predictive modeling. Imagine this. AI helps scientists discover new drugs faster than ever. In climate modeling, ML predicts weather changes with jaw-dropping accuracy. And in genomics, it's decoding human DNA at lightning speed. But hold up, it's not all smooth sailing. We've got issues like data quality, biases, and making sense of complex algorithms. Despite these, the future looks bright. Emerging technologies promise even more mind-blowing advancements. So what's next? Stay tuned, because with AI and ML, the possibilities are endless.